Welcome to another invigorating session on our 5-Minute Health Habits channel. Today we aim to delve deeper than ever before into one of the most well-known, yet commonly misunderstood practices of yoga, the Surya Namaskar. This centuries-old yoga sequence has been passed down through generations of yogis, their wisdom whispering through the ages like a gentle wind. Perhaps you are wondering, what makes the Surya Namaskar so noteworthy? Why has it stood the test of time in a world where wellness trends come and go with the seasons? That, my friends, is because the Surya Namaskar is no mere trend. It is a timeless practice with roots that reach deep into the rich soil of ancient Indian philosophy. This dynamic series of 12 distinct poses, each one flowing seamlessly into the next, is far more than just an elegant dance. It is a journey of discovery, a voyage into the very core of our being, where body, mind, and spirit converge. Each pose represents a different aspect of our human condition, from the grounding strength of the mountain pose to the expansive freedom of the upward dog. But the Surya Namaskar is not just about physical exercise. The true beauty of this sequence lies in its ability to create a bridge between the external world of physicality and the internal world of consciousness. It invites us into a space of wellness that encompasses not just the body, but also the mind and spirit. This is why Surya Namaskar is not just a morning routine, but a daily ritual of self-discovery and self-care, a sacred dance of gratitude to the life-giving sun. Every day it asks us, are we ready to rise? Or to shine? Are we ready to live our truest, most vibrant selves? So, are you ready to transform your day with the magic of Surya Namaskar? Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of this ancient practice. A Surya Namaskar, a sequence of 12 poses, each providing its distinct benefits. This powerful flow is a comprehensive body training that balances muscles, augments flexibility, and invigorates the digestive system. The charm of the Surya Namaskar, also known as sun salutation, can be found in its all-around method to health. This dynamic yoga series works not merely a particular muscle group, but it stretches and strengthens your full body. Now let us dive into the unique physical merits of each pose. Starting with Pranamasana, the prayer pose. This pose is known to bring stability and tranquility to the body. It's the ideal beginning, grounding you in the here and now. The subsequent pose is Hasta Uttanasana, the raised arms pose. This pose widens the chest and abdominal area, allowing for improved respiration. It also shapes the arms and the spine, thus enhancing your stance. Progressing further, we encounter the Uttanasana, the standing forward bend. This pose works by extending the hamstrings, reinforcing the thighs and knees. It also invigorates the liver and kidneys and enhances digestion. This pose stretches the hamstrings while strengthening the thighs and knees. It also stimulates the liver and kidneys and improves digestion. Surya Namaskar isn't just about physical fitness, it's a mental and emotional balancer too. This ancient practice is more than an exercise routine. It's a tool to unlock the mind, find calm amidst chaos, and balance emotions in a world that's often turbulent. The sequence of 12 poses in Surya Namaskar flows like a dance, each pose transitioning seamlessly into the next, guided by the rhythm of your breath. This rhythmic flow, physically invigorating, also creates a moving meditation, allowing you to focus and be present, stepping away from the chatter of everyday thoughts. The benefits of Surya Namaskar beyond physical fitness. It's a powerful tool for managing stress. Each pose, each breath, works to calm the nervous system, reducing stress hormones in your body. As you move through the sequence, you may feel a sense of tranquility washing over you, creating an emotional equilibrium. Imagine starting your day with this calmness and clarity. Instead of being reactive, you become more responsive. You're less likely to succumb to daily challenges and more likely to handle them with grace. And what about when emotions run high? Surya Namaskar is there for you. The concentration on breath and movement can help ground those emotions, bringing you back to equilibrium. In a world where stress is a constant companion, Surya Namaskar stands as a refuge. It's a chance to connect with yourself, to check in with your feelings, and to promote emotional stability. Surya Namaskar is your personal peace-creating harmony that resonates throughout your day. It's not just a workout, it's a work-in, a way to cultivate inner strength, resilience, and tranquility. If you're looking for a natural health booster and stress buster, Surya Namaskar is your perfect companion. This sequence of 12 yoga poses is a holistic wellness approach, combining physical exercise, deep breathing, and mindfulness. Surya Namaskar boosts the immune system, stimulating the lymphatic system, vital in fighting infections and getting rid of body's toxic waste. It improves blood circulation and ensures optimum oxygen supply to your body's cells, warding off diseases and accelerating healing. But its benefits go beyond physical health. It revitalizes energy. The sequence, when performed quickly, can be a cardiovascular workout, enhancing stamina and endurance. On the other hand, if done slowly, it can be a powerful tool for developing concentration, calming the mind, and recharging the body with energy. Let's talk about stress. In today's world, stress is an unwelcome constant. But here's the good news. Surya Namaskar can help combat it. The rhythmic breathing in sync with the graceful movements reduces stress hormones release in your body. The deep, conscious breathing induces a relaxation response, lowering heart rate and blood pressure. Your mind shifts focus from worries to your breath and body, creating inner peace. Moreover, Surya Namaskar can promote better sleep by regulating your body's internal clock. Better sleep can lead to less stress, improved mood, and overall better health. Surya Namaskar is more than just physical movements. It's a mind-body workout that promotes health, reduces stress, and instills well-being. So, with Surya Namaskar, you can say goodbye to stress and hello to a healthier you. Now, it's time to put theory into practice. We will now take a deep dive into the dynamics of each pose in the Surya Namaskar sequence. Our journey begins with the Pranamasana, commonly known as the prayer pose. Visualize yourself standing tall, feet together, bringing your palms together at your chest in a beautiful gesture of prayer. Take a moment here, breathing in deeply, feeling the tranquility seep in. Following Pranamasana, we transition into Hasta Uttanasana, the raised arms pose. Imagine your arms gracefully moving up and back, creating a delightful stretch along the front of your body. It is paramount to remember that our aim is not to overexert, but to allow a gentle, soothing lengthening of our muscles to take place. Our next stop is Uttanasana, the standing forward bend. As you exhale, envisage your body folding forward from your hips. It's crucial to keep your spine straight during this pose. Feel the stretch radiate through your hamstrings while allowing your neck muscles to unwind and relax. Proceeding from here, we inhale and step our right foot back, transitioning into Ashwa Sanchalanasana, the equestrian pose. Your left knee is bent with your foot firmly on the ground, and your right leg is extended behind you. This pose targets your hip flexors, creating a pleasant stretching sensation. Following this, exhale and step your left foot to join your right in Dandasana, the stick pose. This pose resembles a push-up position. It's important to engage your core, maintaining your body in a straight line. Subsequently, we gently lower our bodies to the mat in Ashtanga Namaskara, the salute with 8 parts pose. Your knees, chest and chin are in contact with the ground, while your hips and abdomen are elevated. This unique pose stretches the lower back and arms, promoting flexibility. Finally, with a deep inhalation, we slide forward into Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. As we lift our chests off the ground, we use our back muscles, not our hands. Look upwards and feel the stretch in your abdomen. This pose not only strengthens your back, but also opens up your heart and lungs. After all, Surya Namaskar is not just a physical exercise, but a spiritual journey that enhances your overall well-being. With regular practice, Surya Namaskar can transform your life, bringing physical vitality, mental clarity, and emotional balance. Let me take you on a deep dive into the benefits of this ancient practice that has been passed down through generations. Surya Namaskar, also known as sun salutation, is a series of 12 powerful yoga postures. These poses, each with their own significance, are performed in a graceful flow, synchronized with the breath. This sequence helps to improve your overall body strength, flexibility, and also aids in weight loss. The practice of Surya Namaskar is a great cardiovascular workout that combines the benefits of strength training and stretching in one holistic exercise. Imagine starting each day with a burst of energy that not only wakes you up but also prepares you for the tasks ahead. Now, visualize ending your day with a sense of calm, peace, and accomplishment that comes from knowing you have done something constructive for your health and well-being. This, dear viewers, is what regular practice of Surya Namaskar can bring to you. Moreover, the mental benefits are equally profound. This practice helps you to cultivate focus, calm your mind, reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety, and increase your overall sense of well-being. It's like having a personal daily retreat that brings you closer to yourself, to your own body and mind. The power to achieve this is in your hands. It's simple, accessible, and requires no special equipment. All you need is a quiet and your own dedication. So, why wait? Begin your Surya Namaskar journey today and watch as your health and happiness flourish. We invite you to join our online community, share your experiences and learn from others. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness insights. Your journey towards health and wellness is a path that should be walked with joy, mindfulness, and consistency. We are here to guide and support you through every step of the way. Share your Surya Namaskar experience in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy,